Hello there, buddy. Just welcome to my video on how to make a simple and easy charcoal generator. So the way this works is you throw logs in here, and this gets melted by this furnace. When the logs get melted, they get turned into charcoal, and they go through this hopper, which pushes them to this dropper right here. And when an item is inside this dropper, this comparator detects that, and it sends redstone signal to this block, which powers this redstone, and it powers this repeater that in itself powers this block, and it will send a signal to this dropper, which pushes the item upward, and you get your charcoal right here. And the machine will fuel itself whenever it's needed. Alright, so let's get to the tutorial. You first start off by placing a block, then you place a hopper. Now break that block and crush down, and place a furnace on top of this hopper. Then you're gonna go up and place a dropper facing this way, and place a hopper, crash down while placing a hopper behind the furnace. As for the redstone, you place a comparator this way behind the dropper, and the block in front of the comparator. Now put a redstone dust on the side of this block, and a repeater in front of the redstone, and a block. And now this is the full charcoal generator done. Okay, this is optional, but you can add this if you want. You can add a hopper with a chest on top, and this way you can put as many logs as possible in the furnace. So what you can do now is just put some logs in the furnace, and use any type of fuel you want. And once this furnace melts these logs, they will turn into charcoal, and they will go in here. And when the furnace runs out of coal, or charcoal, they will get sent, the charcoal will get sent to this furnace. Alright, so as you can see, we have our first charcoal in this hopper, and this is where all the charcoal is going to go. By the way, this machine was not made by me. I don't remember the guy who made this design. If you know who's the guy who made that, leave a comment down below. Tell me what his name is, so I can give him credits. Alright, that's it for the tutorial. I hope this machine will be useful for you. I'll see you guys next one.